Yo, what's going on, everybody in YouTube Nation and Boca Nation? I'm your host, Brandon Cole, and welcome to today's photo shoot. Have a very interesting shoot for you guys today. So let's get right into it. So today, this video is being sponsored by a company called Dasny. I'm gonna pronounce it Dasny because that's kind of like what it looks like or sounds like to me. So Dasny got in touch with me and they wanted to sponsor these LED light panels. Now, the Dasny D50s, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before we actually get into this. So it looks kind of like this. This is the Dasny D50 LED light panel. All right, now this is 15 inches. That's how big it is. 15 inches. And you can plug it in by AC power adapter or battery. These are bicolor. They do go down from 3000 Kelvin all the way up to 5800 Kelvin. And they are pretty awesome. This kind of looks like this. And I'm gonna see if I can turn it up here a little bit. So you can go down to 3. I'm gonna tell you what it has a LED panel on the back. So let me see if I can show you that. There it is right there. At the top you got your percentage. All right, the power percentage. So as I go up, it goes up like that. Have your Kelvin. So if I press this button in right here, all right, it's going to start flicking on your Kelvin, and then I can turn the Kelvin. Also have these groups right here from A through F, so you can put them on different lighting groups also. The great thing about these LED panels is that they come in a set of 3. And the great thing is they also do come with a remote. Now I think you have to get the remote separate, but the remote, I can control each LED panel as they are on different groups, different channels. Another cool feature about these light panels is that on the back here they have this little remote thing. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but it's right here. So if I turn that on, basically it allows me to control all 3 lights from one light panel. So say for instance, if I don't have a remote control and I want to set these up around me and I want everything to be on the same Kelvin, everything to be on the same power, I can press that little remote and basically it allows all the LED panels to talk to each other and be controlled basically from the master LED panel, which is really cool. So why not put this thing in a real world photo shoot? How do you get really nice soft light when it's 9, 10, 11 midnight? But today I'm going to show you guys a photo shoot that I just did recently using these LED panels. I only used 2 of them. I didn't use 3. We used the EOS R at nighttime, and the 50mm 1.2 was an amazing option because it is 1.2. That means I'm going to let in a ton of light, and it's going to allow me to control my ambient a lot more without boosting my ISO for grain and light, a lot of those things. So without further ado, I want you guys to check out this video using the EOS R 50mm 1.2 and the Dasny D50 LED light panels at 9:00 p.m. Check it out. She does awkward really good. I see that's one of her strengths already. Turn towards me. Okay. Yep, good. That's perfect. I want you to hold it though. I don't want you to grab it. I want you to like hold it like, yep, just like that. What's up everybody, it is your boy Brand. I want to thank you guys for checking out another amazing video. Today we got the Miss Way is in the building. We are using all LED today. It is windy out here, so if you can't hear me, I apologize. But we are getting sponsored today by a company called Design. They sent us a 3 light LED panel set, and we are going to use them today. It is nighttime, and we're gonna come out here and kill it today. So comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.
Living like kings comes with a price. looking ahead, falling deeper down, down, down. Funny how it all works out in the end. You dance with the devil and you lose your head. Nothing's ever free, no, nothing's ever free. Is it? Is it? When the big bad wolf comes running around, you better get yourself right out of town. Know your hearts are meant to break, 'cause everybody's got a big debt to pay.
Okay.
Here we go. All right, here we go. Perfect. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Good. Oh, shots is fire. Yep. One down. That's good. You got grab. Yeah, like I said, you got the outfit. I want you to use the outfit. Go in character. So when you go like, wow, you know what I'm saying? Perfect. You know, break that leg in. You good? You good right there. So let's move your hand. So I want you to use the jacket now. All right. There you go. Perfect. Look that way. Bam. Right there. Oh, that's it. 3, 2, 1. Go back. Watch this. Stay right there. Good. All right, facial expression, all right? Part your lips. You know, I want you to give me some more, all right? Right there. Turn your head that way. Boom, there it is, right there. Oh, don't move, don't move. LEDs is killing it. Stay right there. Big shot. Very nice. Let me get a building behind you. Boom, there it is. 3, 2, 1, stay. Yep, perfect. Let it blow. Look back down like you just were. Good. 3, 2, 1. You need to pull it down just a little bit more. No, put your finger in there. Right there, stop. This part and this part is what we're trying to get. You're good. Chin up, perfect. Turn your body, other way. Yep, perfect. Now look back. Ah, 3, 2, 1. Straighten that leg out. Both of them, yep. Turn your body. Good, straighten it. Yep, there you go, straight. Ah! Straight up, you keep bending it. You good, turn body. Yep, head back, bam. first set that we just did was, it's still windy out here. All right, so anyway, the first set we just did was pretty dope. We got some really nice shots with the LEDs. These panels are absolutely amazing. So what we do, we moved like to this little location over here. I got these little amber lights out here, these little light poles that's gonna give me some nice leading line shots. And this is gonna be like just a little bit more street. That's it. All right, second set, let's go. Stay right there, I'm gonna get one more shot. All right, here we go. Good, perfect. Good, 3, 2, 1. You can see the placement of the LED. That's the one. Using this with a boom arm is like the best thing. I use boom arms with everything now, but as you can see, it's right there. It's booming like right over here. Absolutely perfect. Out of the frame. You don't have to worry about it being in your shot. Just perfect. All right, scoot over to the edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move her to the edge over here a little bit so I can get some nice texture, nighttime lights behind her, cityscape. Beautiful. This shot is gonna be dope. But what I'm gonna do is, if you can look at the parking garage right there, I'm gonna shoot at this angle so I can get the parking garage behind her, because the parking garage is more lit up than anything. So that's gonna really look nice behind her instead of shooting her where the dark is. So I'm gonna move this to this side since I'm gonna shoot from that angle. 3. So watch it, you good. So I want this right here.
Okay.
Yep, perfect, just like that. Beautiful, good. And you can bring whatever you want to do with the other hand. Yep, oh, that's we can do that, that's dope. Perfect. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Let me come closer. Oh, I like that. Ooh, look. We got some wind blowing. That's the thing about seeing with the LED, I can just snap. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. Ooh, tilt your head back a little bit like you just had it. Yep, perfect. Good. Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see you turn around. I want you to put turn around. So your left foot right here. No, turn your body. Like, there you go, right there.
Okay.
Left foot right here, perfect. And then I wanna get you, let me see if I can get your face. Let me see here. All right, so the light is on this side, so I'm about to say, yeah, your hair is on that side. Perfect, light right here. All right, so turn your body. Perfect, right there, perfect. Let me see what we got. Good. That's dope. Right there, good. 3, 2, 1. Good deal. Turn around real quick.
Okay, hold on. This really hurt my heart. Oh, man. Still can't believe it. Well, I want you guys to pay close attention to my little cart. Now, inside this cart currently is my 8200. I have 2 of them with the 80B2 adapter because I didn't know if these batteries will hold up for an hour or 2 all night on these LED panels, depending on how much power it was and how much power they were putting out. I just knew that they were going to not last all night. So I came prepared as normal. So I brought my 8200s with my 80B2 adapter because, you know, the modeling lamp on the 80B2 adapter is amazing. I mean, that thing works very well with continuous LED lighting. And I brought a softbox. Also inside my cart is my 36-inch Glow Easy Lock softbox. So pay attention to my cart.
Right. All right, that's good. Oh! Oh! Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to thank you guys for checking out another amazing video today. The beautiful Miss Wei did a fantastic job today, so hope you guys enjoyed the shots. It just shows you some of the things that you can do with LED versus flash, and she killed it. So how can people reach you?
Instagram. This way 2 Ys each way. And
This way 2 Ys each way. That's a lot. Okay. This way 2 Ys
each way.
each way. All right, and that's your Instagram page. You have another.
That's literally all I have.
Okay, that's cool. So I'm gonna put her information in the comment section so you guys will know where to follow her. Go check her out. She's doing some amazing things. Entrepreneur, doing her thing. So until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out. I'm falling over.